In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable abandoned cart recovery on Shopify. Abandoned cart recovery is a powerful way to bring back customers who started checking out but didn't finish their purchase. By turning on this feature, Shopify can automatically send reminder emails and help you recover sales that might otherwise be lost. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step, and you can follow along in your own Shopify admin. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. This is the main back-end area of your store where you manage products, orders, and settings. Once you're in, look over to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. This is your primary navigation. Find the option labeled Marketing. Go ahead and click on Marketing. When you do that, a few more options will appear underneath. From those options, click on Automations. The Automations section is where Shopify keeps all of your marketing workflows and pre-built flows, such as welcome emails, post-purchase emails, and in our case, abandoned checkout flows. Once this page loads, you'll see a list of different marketing automations that you can use or customize. From the list, look for the option called Recover Abandoned Checkout. This is the automation that specifically targets customers who added items to their cart, went to the checkout, but never actually completed their order. Click on Recover Abandoned Checkout to open it. Now you'll see detailed information about this automation. This includes an overview of what it does, who it targets, and the workflow itself. The workflow usually shows a trigger, such as a checkout being abandoned, followed by one or more actions, like sending an email after a certain amount of time. Shopify allows you to edit this workflow if you want to adjust timings, messages, or add extra steps later on. For now, you don't need to change anything here. We're just focusing on turning it on. To enable this automation, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You should see a button that says Turn on Automation. Click that button. Shopify may take a few moments to activate it, so just wait for it to load and confirm. Once it's turned on, your abandoned cart recovery is active. From this point forward, whenever a customer abandons their checkout, Shopify will automatically use this automation to follow up and encourage them to complete their purchase.